A destructive start to 2025. This home near Woorooloo lost. The owners believed to be overseas.
Another 5 non-residential buildings, which include sheds and greenhouses and machinery that was within those sheds, have also been destroyed.
Those whose property was spared, grateful.
It's unbelievable, the effort that goes into containing property fires like this. It's really, truly unimaginable. And until you see it, and you see the number of crews that work through the night, bulldozers, loader drivers, fire crews operated here all night. And as a consequence, we've really not lost much, so we consider ourselves really lucky.
The blaze tore through more than 700 hectares as firefighters deployed a massive response from the ground and air. That fight continuing on Thursday.
The hard work of the firefighters throughout the night and some favourable wind conditions have enabled crews to build containment lines around a significant portion of the fire.
The blaze came within 800 metres of the medium security Acacia prison, the state's largest prison. The more than 1,000 prisoners and staff were not evacuated from the facility. Firefighters worked closely with the prison to track the threat.
The prison has an extensive fire break arrangement around it and has its own firefighting capability as well. We obviously put fire trucks and crews there to make sure that it was safe, but that they activated their emergency plan and we're very comfortable with that.
The police arson squad and DFES are investigating the cause of the blaze with several recent fires in the area. Lauren Smith, ABC News, Wattating.